how to generate long AI videos with one tool. Now with this tool, you don't need to get the script, the image, the video. No, you just need to get your script, and then the AI tool actually generates it to a video. It has a voice over everything. Your narrator voice is there. If you want your characters to talk, if you want the narrator voice to be in there, it will be. So this AI tool is going to just help you generate your storyline. For those of you who already have a niche, it is a good thing. All you need to do is just get your script for your story, and then you go to this AI tool and generate it. But if you do not have a niche yet, you go to this AI tool. The AI tool will help you choose a niche. From there, you can see different videos that different people have created. They have a lot of different videos that you can actually look at them and try to imitate, want to create like this other creator. Like you'll be like, okay, I want to use this particular setting of creating my videos, okay, this particular niche, and then they will now give you a script for that particular niche for you to be able to get your own kind of stories and put on your page. So I'll be teaching you how to generate your AI stories.
He ran through dark trees, past cold
Beautiful
rivers,
AI stories with
chasing
images and videos that align with the story. You know, a lot of people actually have problems with generating AI stories, making the images and the videos align with the narrator voice always. But this tool is going to just do everything for you all at once, okay? You can see the video on the screen. This is a video I created with just one script, okay? One script, and it gave me a 3-minute video. 3-minute video. You get. So it actually helps you create longer videos. Now, for those of you who want to start, or beginners on YouTube who want to start creating story time or whatever you want to create, open a channel, a faceless channel, this is going to be for you. Let's go. Let me teach you how to do it. Okay, first thing first, what we need to do is to go to ChatGPT to get the script, just the script, because I'm doing the script first. Because you might have your niche, and when you go to the AI tool that creates you the video, you might not find your niche format there, okay? So we'll go to ChatGPT. I'll open ChatGPT. If you don't want to use ChatGPT, please go to Gemini. It's the same app. It does the same work, but Gemini is kind of free, okay? So here, I'll come to ChatGPT and I'll say, give me a short, give me a script. Let's start with the script. Where are you at? Give me a script of a short story about a young boy who was haunted by spirit. You guys know I like this kind of stories because they trend. Haunted by spirit from his village, okay? From his village, but he later ran and found happiness and peace in a nearby village. Okay, so there you go. Okay, this is it. We have this. After you have this, I'll say make it a 30-minute video. Okay, make it 30 minutes. Yeah, make it for a 30-minute video. So there you go. Now I'll click here on generate, and I'll wait for that to generate. Now, like this, is very, very easy to go on this app, and then you do different things there. But personally, I just want to get this script because I actually want to use the script, okay? So you'll be able to catch up and get what you want to get. So this is it. This is the script. Act 1, Act 2, Act 3, Act 4, Act 5, and so on and so forth. Okay. Oh, shoot. I said 30 minutes instead of 1 minute. Okay. So I'll go back, copy that back because I don't want a very long video. I'll just say 1 minute, a 1 minute video. I see why it was too long. Okay, 1 minute video. So there. So since this app can actually create up to 3 minutes video, up to 4 minutes video, but I just wanted a 1 minute. It can actually create 30 minutes video, but I just want 1 minute because these videos I'll not be posting them on my page. So I'll be wasting more time and all that. So narrator, this is it. I'll just take it from here, from the narrator. Okay. So we take it from the narrator, calm mystery and all that. Let's go. Now you have it, copy. Okay. Now the next tool we are going into is InVideo. A lot of you have heard about InVideo. A lot of you have used it before, but let me show you how it works because they've upgraded it now. It has upgrades. So this is InVideo for you. You only need to register with your email. So once you register with your email, let me introduce this app to you, okay? Now here you can see the V4O, okay? This V4.0, if you click on top, you see the V 3.0, 2.0, 1.0. So the 4.0 is the latest version right now, which that is the one you should be using. So your thing should be on this particular V 4.0. Perfect. Okay. Now, once you come down here, you can see AI Twin. If you want this story to be about you, like those of you who are doing intro videos and you want to use your AI twin or you want to create your own AI tool, down here where you see AI twin, you can click there, you upload your image, and then you create your own AI twin, right? Now we are not doing that. I'm just showing you the option that the app has. Now down here, you can see minimize effect, create short videos, make different videos and all that. Script, use my script. They have different ones. Down, like right below, you can see AI videos, agents and models, explore. So AI videos is for you to create your own videos personally. And then when you see agent and models, if you click here, this is where you don't need a script. You just come here and you see a video of something that you like because there are many, So you see videos that you like, this kind of videos, you want to create them. All you need to do is just click on them and then they'll give you a script of your own with that kind of format. And then you create your own, that kind of a video, right? For people who don't have niche, this is what you can just come here and do. Take any story of your choice that interests you, and then you put it into yours. You click, they give you your own script, and then you create it. Now, explore is just to explore this, see different things that you like. If you want to go into that, you can go into, it says UGC arts. You can actually create UGC arts video, entertainment, food videos, okay? You can create all those videos here. Product art. You can generate product art videos here. So this app is actually packed with a lot of, important things to do. Animate videos, realistic videos, cinematic. Here you do everything. But I just wanted to explain so you guys get to understand for those of you who are new AI tool users. Now I'll go back to the AI video. Now when I click on AI videos here, it says, give me a topic, a topic to work with. So this, you can actually put a topic here for them to compromise and work with. But if not, you just click and you bring in your own prompt, which is what we did. Like I already created our own prompt. So I'll click there and I'll paste our prompt. Let me go copy the prompt again. Hope I didn't. Yeah, we have it here. Copy. I'll copy the prompt again. Now I'll come back to InVideo and go and click on paste. We have everything up here, So this is it. What I'll do is up here where it says narrator, I'll just remove that narrator because the app already understands everything that they need to do. Now, after that, the next thing we need to do is to click here on generate. Okay, the blue button that goes like this. When you click on that blue button, then you have to wait. They'll bring up a different page for you. You select if it's a YouTube video or a TikTok video that you want to create. So I'll click on the blue. It's analyzing our script, okay? After analyzing the script, then it will bring up this pop, like if you want to use it for TikTok, if you want to use it for Instagram or YouTube or Facebook, then you choose. So let's just wait for it to go. Again, please, if you're going into AI tools, make sure at least you're starting with, you have, even if it's $50 to save to pay for one tool that is like the best tool for you to use. Okay? Yep. Tools might be free. You use them for some few days, for some few weeks, and then boom, you don't get to use them anymore. They tell you need to upgrade, you need to pay. So please, AI users, especially if that's your main content, keep even $10 to pay for tool. It is very, very important. I'll link all the tools in the description box on YouTube, please. So check my description box and you see all the tools that I use and the link that you can just click and go directly to the tools. If there's any AI tool that you want me to review for you or any AI video that you want me to teach you how to create a particular AI video, also drop it in the comment section. So let's wait for this to load. So after loading, this is it, okay? After loading, it brings up here. Now, duration 1 minute, okay? You come here, you have platform, TikTok, Vemo, you have YouTube, which platform you want to actually put this video in. Now, after that, below you have basic to edit your videos. Like to edit your videos, you have basic, you have pro, right? You have basic, you have pro, then you have ultra. Ultra is like using all this Sora, all these other tools to work with. You can see there, Sora. Okay, when it's pro, you're still using Sora 2, but Ultra is using the bigger version of Sora. Now, basic is just basic, most efficient generative model. That's what you have. And then here, you can actually see YouTube, right? So where you see YouTube like that, and you have it basic, you just click here where it says generate. Okay, so let's generate and see what we get. Okay, so I'll click on generate and we go with that. So we are waiting for a video to generate. The video is generating, analyzing, then it gets to generate. So you can actually just press that and say notify me when my video is ready, okay? But if not, just leave it and wait for it to generate. Okay guys, so the video is ready and this is what they gave us, okay? This is it. Like I told you, you can actually change some of these images or some of these videos to yours, but let's watch what they actually gave us.
In a small village where the forest whispered at night, lived a young boy named Sola. Every night shadows followed him.
Voices called his name. The villagers said, "The spirits have chosen him."
Fear grew, doors closed, and one night Sola ran.
Okay, for me, this is good. And the images actually, the videos actually align with the story. You understand? Like spirit following him, the ghost and everything. It actually falls in place. And I definitely love it. Do you get? Now, with this, you can actually change the images, that is a story for another day. You can change the images if you want. You can change the videos if you want. If you don't like the videos, you can change them. And when you're done doing that, you click down here where you see edit and download. So for edit and download, you can actually click on edit and download and you edit your video, then you download, okay? Which means if you click on edit, it will give you the option to edit. So you see here, now you have these ones. Now something that you want to change, you just click on it. When you click on it, down here you see upload media. When you click on upload media, it will take you to your phone, right? See, it take you to your phone. You go to media. You take something that's inside your phone. So you take something that you already have like that and you click on add. Now this is it loading here, okay? You wait for it to load. Now when it's done loading, just wait for it to load and finish loading. When it's done loading and then you have it, the image here, you click on the image or the video. It will now say replace, then you click on replace, okay? When you now click on replace, it will insert itself inside the story. Do you get? So it will be like inside the story here. So this is what you do. Let me remove this one. But this is what you actually do. Cancel that one because I want to remove that. Yeah, this is what you actually do to do your settings, edit your videos, the ones that you like, the ones that you don't like, the ones that are inputted here or be imputed and you don't like them. See, this English is not my thing, I beg. And you don't like them, you can always remove them and replace your own, okay? So yeah, now when you're done doing this, you click on download and you download your story. So you save change. There was no change done, so I'll just go to back, and then when you're done, you click on download and then you download your video. Now some of them will have some of them will actually come with maybe some videos you don't like. That's the same thing I said. You can always change it, okay? Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to comment in the comment section the next AI tool you want me to teach you, or the next AI style of video you want me to teach you how to create, because I'm right here for you guys, okay? So yeah, you click on download and we are good to go. You see, you can download your video. 480p, 720p, 180p, but the best to download is 180p. Okay, 180p, no watermark, and you download.